Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 computer keeps freezing randomly. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows 11 computer freezing randomly, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu. You can see here File Explorer. Just click on the File Explorer. Here you need to select your Windows install drive, means your C drive. Just right click on that and click on Properties. You can see here Tools. Just click on the Tools tab. Under Error Checking, you can see here Check. Just click on the Check. Click on Scan Drive. Wait to complete this process. After completion of this, just close this window. Click on Start menu. Then type here CMD. Just click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Then type here SFC space / scan now and hit enter. And you need to wait for some time to complete this process. After completion of this process, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 computer keeps freezing randomly. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.